So today we're going to study about eye and its structure. So first we're going to talk about cornea. So this gray line you can see here, this is the cornea. Now the function of the cornea is that it is transparent lens that refracts, bends light as it enters the eye. Then we have iris. So this right over here is the iris. Now it controls how much light enters the pupil. Then we have the lens. So lens, it is transparent disc that can change shape to focus light onto the retina. So then we have the retina. So retina is right here. So retina contains light receptor cells, rods and cones. Then we have the optic nerve. So optic nerve is here. It is a sensory neuron that carries impulses between the eye and the brain. And then in the last we have the pupil. So the hole that allows light to enter the eye.